Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python MySQL order by. Let's see how to do that. First, we should know how to sort the result. So for that, use the order by statement to sort the result in ascending or descending. So it will provide you if there are few kinds of details that are available. So we have to sort it by using it. We have to create it in the order by any kind like ascending or descending form. Okay. So it will help you to understand everything properly. Fine. So here on screen you can see that I have mentioned one code. I have written all the codes here. Let me just write it properly. I have copy paste. I will copy paste here and select from the customer order by name. So the name should be ordered by. Okay. So everything will be in a particular order only. After mentioning all the details, once we will run this code, let me just run this code. And on screen, you can see that everything is written in the order from the ascending order, like from it is starting from the A and end at the W, and everything is in the alphabetic manner. So that is what the order by means. Okay. So if you're not mentioning ascending or descending, it will provide you in the default form only. That is the ascending form. A to Z, it will provide you in the alphabetical form only. Okay. That is how you can create it. Let me just mention the descending here. So now you are mentioning descending, that is why it is going to provide it like that. Okay, so let me just write the code. On screen you can see that it is started from the W and ending at the A. So that is what the descending means. So these are the two kinds of formats in the order by you can write it. Inside the descending you have to mention it. If you are not mentioning it, it will automatically provide you in the ascending. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.